All right, so now we are going to talk about triangles. All triangles are classified by two things: the length of their sides and the degrees of their angles. So, where's my eraser? So I've always said a triangle has a first name, a triangle has a last name. Its first name tells you about the sides, its last name tells you about the angles. So let's talk about sides. There's three different things you need to know. We have, and this should be reviewed for all of you, we have Scalene. Scary Scalene. He is scary. Scary Scalene. Scary Scalene has 0 congruent sides. Remember, congruent means same length. So a scary Scalene has 0 congruent sides. So we have like that, like that, like that. This one would be 2, this would be 7, that one would be 8. He is scary Scalene. Remember we talked about, think of him like a chicken body with an elephant head and fish gills and a dog tail. Everything is screwy on it. He is scary Scalene. Everything is different. Then we have isosceles. Isosceles, two E's. Two E's, 2 equal sides. Again, isosceles, two E's. 2 E's, 2 equal. See the 2 E's? 2 E's, 2 equal. Isosceles, two E's. 2 E's, 2 equal. Say it with me, class. Ooh, you did so good. I'm losing my dang mind here. So isosceles, two E's. 2 E's. Ooh, the Amazon truck. 2 E's, 2 equal. 2 equal sides. So, there we go. This would be like 8, and that would be 4. 2 equal sides. Isosceles, two E's. 2 E's, 2 equal. Then that leaves us with equilateral. Well, what word do you see in equilateral? Equal, except for spelled wrong, but whatever. Equilateral. Equilateral means all 3 sides are congruent. Remember, congruent means same length or same size, same shape. So all 3 sides are congruent. So if you look at that triangle, all 3 sides are the same. So that's the triangle's first name. Your options are either scalene, isosceles, or equilateral. Scary Scalene, all 3 sides are different lengths. Isosceles, two E's. 2 E's, 2 equal. 2 equal sides, or equilateral. All 3 are equal. So now that we've talked about the length of their sides, the triangle's last name is about the degrees of their angles, the degrees of their angles. So again, just like we had 3 options before, we have 3 options now. Your first one is obtuse. Now you know me, I'm not just going to say obtuse, am I? I'm going to go obtuse. Everybody do it out loud. I want to hear you in Bourbon. Make your parents mad. Go obtuse. What does your face do? It gets real wide when you say obtuse. Just like an obtuse angle, it's real wide. It is greater than 90 degrees. He is obtuse. So if I go like that, see that? That's a big angle right there. That is an obtuse angle. A triangle with just one obtuse angle is an obtuse triangle. But let's say we don't have a giant one. We have a very average one. Look at that. That is exactly, if I knew how to draw, whatever, you get the point. He is exactly right, isn't he? He's perfect. He's straight up, he's straight over. He's prim and proper. He is right. He is perfection. What did I say he is? Right. That right there is a right angle. He is exactly 90 degrees. Not 89, not 91, 90. So anytime you have a triangle that has one angle with exactly 90 degrees, which is what that little square means, that means it is a right triangle. Let's say you're not really sure. He looks kind of sort of like it. Take a note card, take a piece of paper. Ooh, see how that fits in perfectly? He's perfect like a corner. That is 90 degrees. And then, sorry, I forgot to write it down. Your other option, he's so cute. Look at it. Oh, precious. Look at that. Look at all three of these angles. They're adorbs. They're teeny weeny. Oh, they're so cute. They are a cute little baby triangle. When all three angles are less than 90 degrees, that makes it acute triangles. So we have obtuse when one angle and one angle only is obtuse, meaning greater than 90, it's an obtuse triangle. Obtuse. When one angle and one angle only is exactly 90 degrees, he's straight up, he's prim and proper, that is a right triangle. And then acute, precious, when all three are cute little adorable babies, and they're all three less than 90, it makes it an acute triangle. So cute. So let's do a few. Gotta have practice. Let's do some of these. Don't you turn off that yet. No, we got things to do. You're stuck with me for a few more minutes. Let's do this one. We have that. Those two are the same. It is 118 degrees right there. These two are the same. And this is 42 inches there. Okay, so what does it mean when two sides are the same length? Two. Go back and look. Rewind me. What's it say? Two. That's right. If two are the same, isosceles, two e's. Two e's, two equal. Then, what does it mean? See, these two are the same, but they're pretty small. No, I don't remember what's two. No, I have one that's 118. Ooh, 118 is greater than 90. If it has one angle that is greater than 90, that is called obtuse. So that is an obtuse isosceles triangle. Let's do one more, and then I'll leave you alone, because what is? Let's do... 7, 25, 24. Okay, this one is like, whoa, easy, right? That little square, what does that little square mean? You forgot? Good grief, how can you forget already? Well, let's put a piece of paper in the corner. Oh, the piece of paper in the corner fits. So that means he is straight up, straight over, exactly 90 degrees, so that is a right triangle. So we have 24, 25, and 7. All three are different. Freaky! When all three are different, he is scary, Scalene. Totally easy. All right, get moving on your homework.